This is a demonstration of how to install a flue radiator. The purpose of these radiators is to draw heat away from the stovepipe for your living room. We don't want heat going out the stovepipe through the chimney to your backyard. The purpose of the wood stove is to heat your house, not your backyard. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase. This is the radiator. It's a 10-inch by 24-inch piece of aluminum, which is a good conductor. So what you do is you just wrap it around the stovepipe, tack weld it with some duct tape, and with the cable tie that is provided to you, you just belt it, cinch it with the cable tie. It's just that simple. And that's that. Then I remove the duct tape and we're in business. You can rotate it all so the joint doesn't show. Now, another way that you can secure your radiator is with aluminum wire. Just turn it into a twist tire and you can secure it that way also. Whoops. Let me show you what the whole thing looks like. Thought I had paused it, but I didn't. Okay, this is the setup in my living room. I've got 4 radiators drawing heat away from the stovepipe along my flue. Actually 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one here is being held on by the cable tie and the wire. And the name of these radiators are polygon radiators. It's a lot of surface area. Aluminum draws heat away and it does the job. Polygon radiators. It's available online through Amazon. It's one word, polygon radiators.